Trump slams charges brought by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg. Political. Former U.S. President Donald Trump Thursday called the day sad for America, referring to the security presence outside the courtroom in Manhattan, New York City, as the jury commenced deliberation on his hush money case. The 77-year-old has been restricted by the gag order issued by Judge Havan Machan, who is overseeing the case. Earlier, the Republican was fined $9,000 for violating 9 gag orders. While speaking to reporters, he once again targeted the restraining order, saying he would love to talk but could not because of his gag order, and called the moment the sad day for America. The business mogul also aimed at the prosecutor brought by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, again reiterating that the criminal charges against him were politically motivated. I haven't seen one legal scholar or expert in the law saying that this case should have been brought, Donald Trump said Thursday. During his brief remarks, Trump called the charges a disgrace and again castigated the security arrangements present outside the Manhattan courthouse. The former commander-in-chief claimed, "This is a very sad day for America. The whole world is watching. And it's a very sad day for New York. The whole system is rigged.